Do you know many people are having trouble with replacing their car's headlights? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove the coupler. Push the tab to remove the coupler from the headlight assembly. Step 2. Take out bulb. Rotate the old bulb counterclockwise to take it out. Step 3. Insert new bulb. Insert the new bulb into the headlight assembly. Step 4. Secure new bulb. Turn the new bulb clockwise to secure it in place. Step 5. Reattach the coupler. Insert the coupler back into the connector of the new bulb. Now you should be able to replace the headlights on your Honda Civic 2019 easily. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honda users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.